Hello and welcome back. This week we're going to talk about widgets. Widgets Explained. Widgets are basically plugins that allow you to easily add visual and interactive components to your site without needing any technical knowledge. The usual areas that accept widgets are the header, sidebars, and footers. Sometimes you can also add widgets after post content. With the Astra theme, we've already seen that there are a number of areas that can accept widgets. Most of these widgets are disabled by default. So if I look at the sidebar, you can see that the default layout for widgets is no sidebar. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to Appearance and Widgets. We are going to add a new plugin called Widget Options that can easily assign a page's visibility and can restrict each of the available widgets on the left-hand side to have different functionality for specific pages. So I'm going to go over to where it says Plugins and Add New. And the widget that we're going to add is called Widget Options. Now I've already installed this one, but you'll go ahead and install it and activate it. So if I go to my installed plugins, you will see that this is already active. I'm going to go back to my appearance and I'm going to go back to widgets. So now that I have this installed and activated and I'm already on my widgets page, I'm going to open up where it says recent post. And I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to set the title for this to be Wordville Attractions. I'm going to scroll down here and where it says hide on checked pages, I want this to say show on checked pages. And I want to go to post types, and the pages that they want us to choose are going to be the 3 attractions. So I'm going to turn on museum, zoo, and aquarium. And I'm going to scroll down here and I'm going to choose save. And I'm going to choose done. And I'm going to go back out to my site and visit it. And we're going to go to attractions and aquarium. And you can see that I do not have a sidebar. There's no sidebar that is appearing currently. What I'd like to do is go in and edit this page. Select Edit Page. And I'm going to scroll down to where it says Sidebar and Customizer Settings, and I'm going to change this to Right Sidebar. And I'm going to choose Update. And then I'm going to view this page. And now you can see where it says Wordville Attractions is the heading. Here is my sidebar. If I go to the next one, which is Museum, I can see I do not have a sidebar. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to Edit Page, and I'm going to scroll down to where it says Customizer Settings, and I'm going to say Right Sidebar and Update. And I'm going to view the page. And here I have my sidebar. I'm going to do the same thing for the zoo. So on the zoo page, I'm going to edit this page. And I'm going to change this to Customizer Settings. I'm going to want this to be Right Sidebar and Update. And I'm going to view my page. All right, so these 3 pages now have where they show the recent post. Now it also has recent comments, tags, archives, and the search menu. And I really don't want those, so I'm going to go over to Wordville and I'm going to select the widgets page. And I'm going to come in here and all I want is the search bar and the recent posts. I'm going to drag this back over these extra widgets that I don't want. So I'm going to get rid of the tag cloud and the archive. All right, so now if I go and view those pages and I go to aquarium, all right, you'll see that I have updated that. I want to go to customize. And I want to go to sidebar. Okay, so the default layout for the Astra theme right now is that there's no sidebar. Okay, so if I go, let's just get off of the aquarium page and let's go to location. So there's no sidebar. If you wanted to have a sidebar for every page and every post, you could change the default layout to say right sidebar. And notice we'd have a sidebar here. Now the reason why it's not showing recent post is because we specified that we only wanted those 3 pages to have post. I can show you how to change that in a minute. So this would be the default layout. Every page would have this search menu. I'm going to go to no sidebar again. Now if I wanted pages to have this, I could say right sidebar. And once again, all we get is the search menu. So these settings that are in the customizer are called global settings. They'll affect every page. I'm going to publish this and go back to show you. And I'm going to select the X. And I'm going to go back to widgets. And I'm going to go to recent post. So these post types, this is specific. This is saying I specifically want only to show on checked pages. Okay? If I wanted it to be on post or pages, okay, I could go ahead and select pages, save, and now this recent post will show on all pages. Let's just view that. Go to visit site. And I'll go to locations. And you can see about, news. Okay, so let's see the reason why news didn't work. If I go into Wordville and I go back to, let's just go to my dashboard. Wordville Concert in the Park. What type of a page or post is this? If I go to post, all post. So Wordville Concert in the Park is a post. It's not a page. So this is the reason why it is not appearing if I go back to view this. And if I go to news, let's see why news, and it is a page. But I think this is being used as a blog because look at all the, welcome to Wordville, so this is being used as a blog page, this right here. Wordville Concert in the Park because of all the other pages. So news is being used as a blog. If I go back to, let's go back to dashboard. And I go under, let's go to reading. Yes, so Wordville News is being used as a post page. So that's the reason why. So let's go back and change some settings again. I'm going to go to Appearance and I'm going to go to Customize. I'm going to go back to my sidebar. I'm going to change my pages to default. And I'm going to publish. Now if I go to locations, You'll see that the sidebar is gone, but let's go to Aquarium Museums. Okay, so this is working. I did want to go back in one more place and change I want to go to Widgets. I want to go to Appearance, Widgets. And I want to go to Recent Post. And I want to go to Post Type. And I want to scroll down and I want to remove pages. This way I don't confuse myself that I'm showing it on checked pages, but then I've changed my global setting to say no. So if I have this on pages, but I don't have the global setting in the customizer change, I have to go into each individual page like I did with the zoo, the museum, and the aquarium, and on the right hand side go down to where it says customizer settings and change that so that it'll show the right sidebar. So this is a specific setting for specific pages, and when I use the customizer, that's a global setting when I change that to show the right sidebar. So I'm going to save that. And I'll go back and test my work. And if I go to Aquarium, there is my sidebar, and I'm only showing two widgets, the search and the recent post. Now, as stated, the widgets, if I go back to Wordville, I go back to widget, these widgets right here are specific to the theme that you have installed. So when you install a theme, you'll want to go and check what widgets are available to you. And all of these are available widgets that you can add. And what the widget options did was basically make this recent post, well, it actually gave more functionality to all of these widgets. So if I went to search, it gave more functionality to all of these widget options. So that's what widget option does. It provides more functionality than previously these available widgets had. So that's the reason why you might want to add widget options to improve the functionality and to be able to only show on specific pages the widgets that you want to show. All right, I hope this helps explain widgets for the Astra theme. Thank you.